Hey you guys, I hope you're all doing well. This is Stuffbox, and today we're going to talk about NFT art. The topic is a little tricky, so sit back and listen carefully. The world is in a transitory phase, as the digital world is trying to overtake the tangible world in ways our ancestors couldn't have imagined. Our calendars, phones, books, and everything have gone digital. In the midst of all this frenzy, artists have found another way to sell, or rather implore their ownership of their work. This is where NFTs come in. NFTs are basically non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible, more or less, means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. The NFT artworks have unique encryption codes that are specific to each artwork. The codes help the art pieces to have a sense of authenticity and ownership, that this particular artwork belongs to artist Z and is called X. The NFTs have been fairly popular among the artists, so much so that in March 2020, a total of $85 million worth of artwork was sold on the blockchain. People buy NFT art in online sales, where the eligible currency is cryptocurrency. The buyers claim their art pieces on the NFT auction, which takes place on marketplaces like OpenSea platform. The interesting part is that the buyers, in return, get an address for artwork that claims that the art piece is now in their ownership. On top of the artwork, people can literally buy anything, such as music. They just need to have the access to the auction. Will NFT be useful in the future? Well, that's a tricky one. As of now, people are making money from NFTs. More than the money part, artists are glad that they can have ownership of their digital artwork. No one can make a duplicate one and sell it. So that's that. But for the future, commenting on the success or helpfulness of NFTs would be a stretch. The current generation will not pay heed to the hype because at the end of the day, the purchases are not tangible. They are on the internet. But Gen Z is crazy enough to make the idea a hit. Artists that are from Gen Z will find this tool helpful, as, with a little bit of innovation, they can make millions of dollars. But it won't be an exaggeration to say that NFTs are revolutionizing the art industry. There is no need for artists to flip around with paints anymore. They can just get on a laptop, create a funky piece, and if someone is crazy enough, they will buy it from them. But I'm interested to hear what you guys think of the NFTs. If you get a chance, will you buy a Pokemon card with Logan Paul on it? That actually happened. With that being said, I will end this video, and don't forget to tell me what you think of the new NFT concept. Like this video, and watch this awesome video next.